everybody, welcome back. I'm Ken and this is Ken's Guitar Workshop, and this is a little update on the Deacon copy. Been thinking about how I'm gonna do this drop top with this flame maple top here. Come to the conclusion that there's no way in hell I'm gonna bend it over this arm contour, because the arm contour is just not a straight contour. It's comes down and then hooks around like this. So this is what I've come up with. So because of the way this is hooked around like this, there's no way that I'm just going to put this top on here and then bend it down around here and this corner too. So here's what I've come up with. Took a piece of tracing paper, used the edge of a pencil, and then kind of rubbed it along this right here where the wood starts to go down. Came up with this right here. Now this is going to be my pattern for a piece of this that I'm going to cut off and then glue it on here first. And I don't know if you can see, there's lines drawn right here. What I did is I took this, I brought it over. Oh, let's get this back in the movie here. Brought it over here so it fits perfect, just like it's sitting on the guitar. And what I did is the flame in this top is going in this direction. So drew it on the paper, and then we're going to take this over to this section, and I'm lining up the grain here with the flame here, so it's like this. And then I'm gonna cut this out with, have a little extra, and then after that's cut out, I'm gonna glue that onto the contour and then sand everything down so the edge is flat with the top. And then when this is set on the top of it, using the center line to make sure it's centered in the guitar, and then get rid of this from the top and then glue everything together. So we'll have our top and then our piece on the arm contour, and the flame should match. It's not going to match perfectly, end flame to end flame, but the flame will be all in the same direction, so it should look all right. So got a little arm contour template with the grain lines in it, the flame lines where they're going to be, and tomorrow I'm going to start working on this, and we're going to cut out the contour piece of flame and then glue that on, and then glue the top on, and we're gonna see how that comes out. So just a little update, let you know we're still working on this. I've been thinking about how to do this pretty much all week. I was thinking about doing some relief cuts and then bending it over, but you know what, nah. I'm gonna try to get by without putting any of the teak between the two. But if the two pieces don't line up really perfect, then we're going to be using a little bit of teak in there again, like we did on the back, and there'll be that line. I'm hoping not to have to do that, because I would like this just to be all maple with no teak stripe in it. So that's where we're at, and like I said, start working on this tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. Unlike other YouTubers, I don't have a shit ton of stuff in the can. I don't have a bunch of unposted videos on my computer. I pretty much do a video, and then I go to my computer and I edit it out, add the music, the voiceovers if I need to put some voiceovers in, and then upload it. I don't have a bunch of stuff waiting to be uploaded. Call me lazy. I like to get stuff posted as soon as I record, as I film it. So, anyway, we'll see you guys tomorrow. So behave yourself. Peace.